What's up, good people? This your man Bigg Vic. I'm back again with a new video. Today's video is basically about the sound comparison between my Reason production and the MPC production. A lot of you guys said like the sound, you could hear like this sound difference, the quality difference. So I want to put the two pretty much side by side. Play a couple of tracks that I produced out of, play a track that I produced out of Reason and pull up the MPC and play another production track that I produced in the MPC and see if we could hear a sound difference using pretty much the same type of drums that I use over here on Reason and similar drums that I'm going to, that I've used on the MPC. So, without further ado, I'm going to play this track. It's got a pretty decent mix on it. Nothing super spectacular. But I got some nice hard drums in there. And let's play it, see what it sounds like. Pull up the MPC, go from there. Here we go. All right, so drums are hitting pretty hard. Everything sounds pretty clean coming out of Reason. So now I got to pull up the MPC. I'm going to pause the video, pull up the MPC, come back. We're going to crank that beat out and just kind of compare the two and see what difference you guys hear in the sound. So let's see. Be right back. All right, y'all. So we back in the MPC and I pulled up a track and I'm going to play it and let's see what sound difference or quality of sound difference that we hear with this particular track. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna stop it right there. Now, here's my thing. Where is the sound difference coming from? Do you guys think it's mainly, is it the hardware? I mean, excuse me, the software? Is it the MPC software? Is it the VSTs? Are they of more quality versus Reason? And another question that I have, I've been using Reason since Reason 3.0. That was my first introduction to Reason. And, I never really gave it that much thought before, but do you guys think that Reason was really catered more towards like EDM, pop, dubstep, those type of uh, productions or producers? I mean, of course, we can make anything in Reason, but as far as the quality of the sounds that come out of Reason, I know they're much, much more cleaner. Um, I can't quite say thinner, but I know they're much more cleaner coming out of Reason. And the MPC, well, Akai Mpc, that particular hardware has been around for ages, like way back in the early hip hop days. So it's been around for 18 years. Um, so, I mean, you guys, just give me some feedback down in the comments, man. Let me know what sound difference do y'all guys hear between Reason, the track I just played in Reason, and the track I played in the MPC. Like maybe it may be the VSTs. Um, I'm not sure, but I know it's something. Like I hear like an edge. There's an edge on this Akai MPC, and I guess I've been in the Reason world for so long, I never really listened to any differences between, these two DAWs, or the difference between any other DAWs. But mainly this one and Reason is what I'm doing my comparison in. So I know out here in my speakers, um, the Sakai MPC stuff sounds a little fatter. I know I'm using Waves plugins. Um, it's like on my master output channel. I'm sure that's giving it some a lot more fatness too. Um, so I don't know. You guys let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know which one uh where the sound difference is coming in at. So I just want to hear what you guys think. Um hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I know this one is gonna get all types of different feedback, And there's a lot of Reason heads out there, and there's also a lot of Kai heads out here. So, I just want to see what you guys say. See what y'all thoughts are on this. All right, it's your boy Bigg Vic, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope it was worth your watch, and we'll see y'all on the next one, man. Leave them comments. Let's get it. Peace and love.